Hi and welcome. In this video, we're going to look at the MainWP Favorites Add-on, which lets you save plugins and themes you use often so you can install them again later with just a few clicks. Let's jump straight into it. From the MainWP dashboard, go to Add-ons and open Favorites. We'll start by adding a plugin. In the Plugins section, click Add New. Here, paste in the URL to the plugin. This can be a WordPress.org URL or a plugin you host yourself, as long as the URL is publicly accessible. The name field is optional. If you leave it empty, MainWP will automatically pull the name from the plugin. Click Save. As soon as it's saved, the plugin appears in the list, and it's now part of your favorites. Before assigning it, let's set up some groups. Click the Manage Groups button. Here's where you manage your groups. To add a new group, enter a group name, optionally add a description, and then click Add Group. If you need to make changes, click the pen icon to edit an existing group. You can update the name or description and save it. And if a group is no longer needed, you can delete it using the trash icon. Deleting a group won't remove any favorites that were assigned to it. Now that groups are in place, we can assign the plugin to a group. In the Groups drop-down for this plugin, select one or more groups. The change is saved automatically. Once you're using groups, filtering becomes really useful. At the top of the list, use the Filter by Group drop-down to narrow the list to just the plugins you want to see. And you can even select multiple groups. Once groups are set up, each favorite also has an ellipsis menu with a few useful actions. The Update Version Info option rereads the plugin file, or URL, and refreshes the version number shown in the list. From this menu, you can also edit the name or URL, download the zip file to your computer, or delete the item from your favorites. Next, let's see how favorites are used during installation. Go to Sites, then Plugins, then Install Plugins. On this page, click the Install Favorites button. This opens your saved plugin favorites list. Here you'll see the same Filter by Group drop-down. If you've created groups, you can use it to narrow the list before you select anything, just like on the Favorites page. Now select the plugin favorites you want to install. After that, choose the child sites where those plugins should be installed. Once everything is selected, click Complete Installation to start the process. MainWP will then take care of installing the selected plugins on the chosen child sites. That's the full flow of the Favorites add-on, from saving a plugin to installing it across your sites. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next walkthrough.